Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase for payment methods, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Coinbase, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type the official Coinbase website URL in the address bar. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the site loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will now see a prompt for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Coinbase account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. You will receive a verification code via email. Check your email inbox for the verification code. Once you locate the email, open it to find the code. Return to the Coinbase login screen. Enter the verification code in the designated field. After entering the code, click on the Verify button. If you have set up two-factor authentication, you may need to enter a code from your authentication app. Complete the two-factor authentication process if prompted. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Coinbase dashboard. To add payment methods, locate the Settings option in the menu. Click on Settings to access various account options. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Payment Methods tab. You will see a list of your current payment methods. To add a new payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button. Choose the type of payment method you would like to add, such as a bank account or debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup for your chosen payment method. Once added, your new payment method will be available for transactions. Always ensure your payment details are accurate for seamless transactions. Review all payment options and confirm that they meet your needs. Now you are ready to use Coinbase for your cryptocurrency transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.